So I am so pleased to see alumni connecting with SAIT. Reaching out, asking about services and support, I think is critical, and I'm glad to see that happening. Now, I also know that many of you have been hit by the economic shutdown and COVID-19. And I just want to say we are thinking of you and working for you as well. And SAIT is committed, and you've heard this many times, to being a lifelong learning partner for all of you. And I believe that that has never been more important than it will be over the next few years as Calgary faces what will be a very important economic recovery. Now, let me give you a couple of examples of services that I think might help in the coming weeks and months. First of all, career services at SAIT is available to all alumni for the entirety of your career. So no matter how long it's been since you graduated, we're here to help. Search online for My Career Hub on SAIT.ca as a tool you can use. You'll see job postings, you'll see and other resources that you can use, I think, to help you advance in your career. I also wanted to share with you about continuing education. I believe that's an important part of supporting SAIT grads. And we are launching in the very near future a dedicated center for continuing education and professional studies. And please look forward to that. And I think you're going to see some new and exciting programming coming through that area. We are also continuing with our plans for the School of Advanced Digital Technology. Now, you'll remember last year in the fall, we announced a very large donation from Calgary philanthropist David Bissett to develop a school to help people gain the digital skills necessary to participate and take advantage of the opportunities in a technologically digital-based economy. I encourage you, that's going to be coming as well very soon. I encourage you to keep your eye open for that initiative and what opportunities are there for you as well. Now, these initiatives are for alumni. We want to be your lifelong learning partner. I encourage you to stay in touch with us as we roll out, I think, more information on all of these topics in the coming months.